Welcome back to another video, guys, and today we are seeing an incredible home here for sale on Lake Chapala. Welcome to Lakeview Splendor. This home sits on a lot size of over 2,000 square meters. You have 800 square meters of construction. You have the most incredible view of Lake Chapala from this property. The property is 4 bedrooms, 5 bathrooms. It was built 10 years ago. It took 5 years to build this incredible home. The property is listed for just shy of $2 million. I'm so excited to show you this property today, guys. Come with me. Let's check it out together. Welcome to Lakeview Splendor here in the gated community of La Mojonera. Today, we're seeing this incredible property behind me. As you can see, there is space for at least 2 to 3 vehicles here in the driveway. Inside the garage, you have space for a couple more vehicles too. As we walk down into this beautiful foyer area, we go down about 4 steps into the home. I love this arch as we come in. You're greeted with all this beautiful mature garden. Come on through, guys. Welcome to Lakeview Splendor. As you walk into this incredible property, I just want to point out a few things. As you walk into the foyer, you're greeted with this lovely exposed brick bovered ceiling above my head. You also have some skylights bringing all this beautiful natural light into the foyer. That's the door to come in from your garage. And here, the property actually has its own lift to take you down to the main living area. Also, this door takes you out to an open roof garden where you can take in incredible views. As we walk in, you're just greeted with these double height ceilings that make this larger living area feel absolutely incredible. There are 2 ways to get down to the main level. You can take the lift here on my left, but we're gonna take the stairs so you can take in the beautiful views as we walk down the stairs. So walking into this incredible property, this is the main living area, and what an incredible space this is. The ceilings are 22 feet, topped off with this beautiful wooden beams going from either side. Is an incredible space. Your eyes take you directly out to this vast view of Lake Chapala. You have the most incredible open view here. Starting to point out some incredible features of this property. So here we have a beautiful finished gas fireplace, which is definitely the centerpiece of this room. Either side of this lovely fireplace, you have these lovely bay windows coming all the way down, making this room feeling so open, and you've got all this beautiful natural light coming in here. What I love about this room is that you can be sat here on the couch and all you're doing is taking in the most beautiful view of Mount Garcia in the distance. As we're coming in between the kitchen, just to point out, here on my right-hand side, this is where the lift comes down from the entrance, the foyer. There's also a bathroom here, a guest bathroom, and more storage space as well. Coming in to this chef's kitchen, a beautiful finish of granite. I mean, absolutely stunning. I love all of the solid carpentry work around this property. You've got top of the line appliances like here, like your Wolf hob here. You've got your Sub-Zero fridge. What I do love though is this handmade farmer's copper sink, and it's just beautiful. Here to my left-hand side here in the kitchen, you have a very large pantry. It's beautifully organized. Coming over from the kitchen, you have a lovely seating area here that you can take in incredible views of Lake Chapala. So let's take you down and check out the bedrooms. So in this property, you have 4 bedrooms and 5 bathrooms. So as we come down this hallway, lovely arches as we come through. Here on my left, as we walk out of the kitchen, you've got a lovely alfresco eating. Before we come into the bedrooms, we have a more formal dining room here with another gas fireplace. This area is topped off with a exposed brick bovered ceiling as well, which is lovely. You can also come out here directly into this wraparound patio, straight into your heated swimming pool. You have a lovely skylight above our heads as we come through. Laundry area here to my left-hand side. Here to my right is the principal suite. So let's go and check that out together. As you can imagine, the principal suite has an incredible view to it. This area is topped off with a bovered ceiling. As you can see, you've got a gas fireplace in the corner. But let's take you out to the patio. Coming out onto this patio, you feel like you're literally being hugged by the mountains. This is a sunrise view here, and it must be the most incredible feeling when the sun is coming up over the lake. This room has a king-size bed, as you can see, and it's very ample. There's lots of space around it. As we come through, you have a walk-in closet either side of me. But come and check out this stunning ensuite bathroom. What an incredible feature into the house. You have a double sink vanity here to my right hand side, a jacuzzi tub here to take in incredible views. You can also come directly out into this covered patio. You have a walk-in shower, a makeup area. Here to my left hand side is the office. As we come through this beautiful hallway, here to my left is the third bedroom with an ensuite bathroom and a walk-in closet. I love what they've done here and created a private library with a seating area. This is the perfect reading space. You've got the high ceilings to bring all this natural light through the skylights. Coming in here, this is the third bedroom. It's a great sized room. It's topped off with a exposed brick bobbed ceiling. You also have a walk-in closet and a full ensuite bathroom with a walk-in shower. Coming out here, you have another covered terrace. Feels quite private actually, it's lovely. So let me take you downstairs and show you the private casita. What a lovely add-on to this property. This is a fully contained private casita with a full kitchen. You have an ensuite bathroom with a walk-in shower, one sink vanity. Very spacious. Here you also have space for a dining room table. This room also comes with a lovely gas fireplace too. Let's go and check out the bedroom in the casita. This space is wonderful. It's an incredibly large room. You have another bathroom in here, another ensuite bathroom with a walk-in shower. I really like the way they've designed this separated casita. This is where you can come out and walk around the property. I'm going to take you up the stairs here. We're going to check out the incredible infinity pool and the mature gardens. The architect of this home, G& Fortune, did an incredible job. It took them 5 years to build this property, and you can see why. The detail in this house is incredible. There is nothing quite like this on the market. This infinity pool, when you're in here, you must just feel like you're floating, looking out on Lake Chapala. So here you have the outside covered terrace here. I'm sure you do most of your entertaining out here. And what an incredible space here for your outside kitchen cooking. You have a top quality gas grill here. You have your own pizza oven. You've got everything here. The house is so kitted out. I really like what the architect has done with all these beautiful touches of this blue tile throughout the property. And this is just the centerpiece, this beautiful Cantella Works fountain, bringing in the calmness that goes perfectly with the view. Thank you so much for coming to see this incredible home today here for sale. If you'd like to book a private viewing, let me know. My email is here on the screen. It'd be my pleasure to come and show you this property, guys. And saying that, remember to subscribe, hit that notification button and give the video a thumbs up. Thank you all very much for watching. See you in the next video. Hasta luego, amigos.